So if you see, already we have 6 indicators in our code. Okay. So after that, I have added the volume, RSI and MACD. So altogether we have 9 indicators in the free version of the trading view. Hi friends, this is Chitra. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you're all doing good. Today we are going to see how to add multiple indicators in the free version of the trading view. We cannot add more than 3 indicators, but that can be achieved using some small tweaks. We can see that now. This is the free version of trading view. So here we can add 3 indicators. If we are adding more than 3, we will get the message to take the pro version. So here I will show you by adding the exponential moving average. So I have added now 3 times. So if you are clicking more than 3 EMA, it will give the message like no more indicators, more trading possibilities, upgrade your trading view. So you have to take the pro version. So now we can see how this can be achieved instead of going to the pro version. Okay. So here there is no indicator. I haven't added any indicators here. So here we are going to see how to add the 5 EMA. So this is the trading view. Here I haven't added any indicators. So we are going to see how to add the 5 EMA. Okay, so we are going to the Pine editor. Click on Pine editor and here we can see that is plot close. So we are going to add EMA, right? So I'm typing here EMA close. Okay, space should not be there. So EMA close. After close, put comma, and what is the series it is written is title. So we have to type title equal to the EMA we are going to add is 5 EMA. So it is EMA 5. It should be in double quotes. EMA 5. Then comma. After the title, it is asking the color. Okay. So I have typed color equal to. So what the color we are going to give to the EMA? I am going to type it as red. So color dot red. Comma. Then what is the next series? It is asking line width. So line width equal to 2. So I have selected line width equal to 2. So close braces. So now we have to add to chart. Click on add to chart. So we got an error here, unassigned argument length. So comma after comma. So after close, we have to type comma 5. Now click on add to chart. So now we can see that the 5 EMA is plotted in the trading view. So this is the code. Okay. So plot EMA close comma 5, then title equal to what is the title? Title is EMA. So EMA 5, and what is the color we are going to give to the EMA? Color equal to red. Okay. Line width. This is the width of the line, that is equal to 2. Now we can see that the EMA is plotted below the candles. Okay. So we want the EMA should be above the candles or over the candles. So for that we have to edit the code. Okay. Study my script, right? Here after the double quotes put comma overlay equal to true. Now add to chart. So here we can see the 5 EMA is plotted in the trading view. Here the indicator is showing as my script. Why it is showing as my script? Because here in the code we have written like my script. We can customize this. So I am going to change this my script as trader Chitra. So it is trader Chitra. Now add to chart. So we can see that is changed to trader Chitra now. So here we have added only one EMA, that is 5. So how to add more than one EMA? So we'll copy and paste this line. So 3 times I have added. So in order to add more than 4 times, so here we can add 5 EMAs. Okay, so first is 5 EMA. So second will be 13 EMA. So for 13 EMA, here also we have to change that to 13. So what will be the color of 13 EMA? We can make it as green in color. Okay, line width we can give the same, that is 2. So we don't want to change anything for 13 EMA. So what will be the next EMA? So we have added first is 5, second is 13. Next we can add 20 EMA. 20 EMA, here also we have to change that to 20. The color we can give as blue in color. It can be any color. So I have given as blue. Line width is same, that is 2. Again next, that is the fourth EMA, that is 50 EMA. Here also we have to change that to 50. Okay. So the color it is asking as purple. Line width is same. So the next we can add as 200 EMA. So here also I am changing that to 200. Color can be black in color. Okay, so now we have added 5, 13, 20, 50 and 200 EMA. Okay, so now we have to save this, that is add to chart. So all the EMAs are plotted here. So this is the 5 EMA is red, 13 EMA is green and blue is 20 EMA, purple is 50 EMA, 200 EMA is black in color. So how to see all these here? Go to the settings. So I have changed this to Trader Chitra. Go to the settings here. So we can see the EMA 5 is red, 13, that EMA 13 is green in color, EMA 20 is blue, EMA 50 is purple in color, EMA 200 is black in color. So we have added all the 5 EMAs now. Click on OK. In this Pine script, we have added the line input with the variable EMA 5 and we pass on the value to the EMA 5. So we will uncomment this. Okay, and here plot EMA close 5. Here we will type EMA 5. Okay, and we will do, so we will remove this indicator. Okay, after doing that we will do add to chart. Now we will go to the settings. Here the settings, the short EMA is 5. So we will change this 5 to 55 or we can change to any number. We can change this to 60. Here 5 it is showing as red in color. Okay, so how we are going to change this? So I am going to change this 5 as 60. Okay, and click on OK. So we can, now we have seen that the red EMA, that is 5 it was before, and have changed that to 60. So it came below the purple EMA. The purple EMA is like 50 EMA. So this 5 is now 60 EMA. Now we got an overall idea on how to plot more than 3 EMAs or indicators. Okay. So I have written this script to plot the previous day high, low, previous week high, low and previous month high and low, and all the different EMAs along with the EMAs and the VWAP and the Bollinger Bands. I will be sharing this code in my Telegram channel and you can access the same from the Telegram channel. Now we will apply these changes on the chart. So we have to click on add to chart. Okay. So now we will remove this Trader Chitra 60. Before we have changed the EMA to 60, right? So we will remove this. Okay. So now the code is ready. So now we will minimize this. Okay. So we can see here all the EMAs, Bollinger Band and the previous day high, that is green, and previous day low, that is plotted in red in color. We will change this time frame to 15 minutes. Okay. So we will get a better clarity in this. Now I have changed this to 15 minutes. Okay. So here the dotted lines, this dotted lines is previous week high and the red dotted lines is previous week low. So the line which is green in color is previous day high and the red which is now red in color is previous day low. And these are the EMAs, 5 EMA and the 13 EMA. Okay. And we can go to the settings here, and if you don't want the Bollinger Band, we can uncheck this Bollinger Band and we can click on OK. So now there is no Bollinger Band, only we can see the EMAs with the previous day high and previous day low. So now we have added 6 indicators in the free version of the trading view. So we can add more indicators. We can go to the indicators and we can add RSI, okay, and MACD, okay, and the next is volume, we'll add super trend. So if you see, already we have 6 indicators in our code, okay. So after that I have added the volume, RSI and MACD. So altogether we have 9 indicators in the free version of the trading view. So we'll try to add, here we have already 9 indicators. We'll try to add one more indicator. So I'm trying to add the super trend. So when I try to add more than 3 indicators, so here we have added volume, RSI and MACD. So it is asking to subscribe for the pro version or upgrade now, okay. So in our free version, we have added 6 indicators in our code, and after that we have added 3 indicators. So altogether we have 9 indicators, okay. Taking this template, you can modify the script based on your requirement. Once the script is ready, okay, we have an option add to chart, save. So once you click on save, here it will ask the script name. What is the name that you want to save it as? So here I am giving it as Trader Chitra indicator. You can give any name, okay. Click on save here. Okay. So once you go to the indicators here, under the favorites and the my scripts, you can see this indicator Trader Chitra indicator, okay. So we will remove all the indicators now, okay. Remove all the indicators. Now go to the indicators, and here under my scripts, that indicator we already saved, it is here. So once you click on that, see all the indicators are available now. So now I will open a new chart, okay, and I will show you how to go to that indicators. So this is the new chart. So we will remove all the indicators here and go to indicators, and under my script we have the Trader Chitra indicator. Click on this. Okay, so the indicator is available now. So once we saved the code, it will be there in the indicator under my scripts. This is my free Telegram channel, and I have shared the link in the description below. Here I will be sharing the views on index, that is Nifty and Bank Nifty, along with the levels daily. And also there are multiple fake channels created using my name and the image and asking individuals to pay the money. So please don't get trapped into that. So here I will be sharing the key levels also, means the Nifty is weak below this particular level and you can go long above the particular levels. So here I will be sharing my live analysis also. So those who are trading the Nifty and Bank Nifty and wants to track the market can join my Telegram channel. Those who trade on index can make use of these levels and also my live analysis. Hope this video is useful to you. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Click the bell icon too for my upcoming video notifications. Thank you for watching.